Hey, can you turn around so Grandpa can take a picture? Open it. Guess who gave it to you? Uncle Andrew gave this to you. Open it.
Look inside the box. Oh!
Oh
Look at all those dolls.
Does she have the princesses?
There you go.
Belle. Is that Belle?
Who else is in the box, Karen?
Who cares about them?
Yeah.
Oh, that's Jasmine.
Yeah, beautiful.
You see?
Get it back. Hold on. Casey, can you get it back to Karen?
Oh, it's Snow White. Is that Cinderella?
Yeah, Cinderella.
Okay, we're not taking them away. We're just looking at them.
Wow, Paris. It's very nice.
She doesn't want it.
Come over here then.
Okay.
Come here. Over here.
I'm just looking at them.
No, no, you come over here. No, no, you this way. This way. Come over by me.
Wonderful.
Not, don't touch. Come here, look. Come here, stand up. You see. And come over here and look right here.
Where's her
See?
water? It didn't come with water, sorry.
Your Uncle Andrew gave you these.
That's funny. She wants the water to go along with the.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, she's like a fish.
This is Tiana. This is Tiana.
Is she the one in the rock princess?
Tiana, Princess Tiana.
No, it's not Anya. It's a
Tiara.
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me.
You did it right.
Do you like your presents, Karis?
Peace.
Karis, do you like your presents?
What is it?
What's in the bag?
You have lots of princesses.
What
There.
is it?
Yeah, beautiful princess.
Yeah.
Donovan.
One
Oh, you'll
princess.
get yours on Sunday.
Oh, what did you say? I'm sorry.
Your gift on Sunday.
Oh.
She's purple.
Right.
One princess.